Hello everyone. Ever wondered why some people get amazing AI results while others get, well, not so amazing? The secret is not magic, it is the prompt. Today I will show you different types of prompts with real examples so you can start writing prompts like a pro. A prompt is simply the instructions you give to an AI model to get a desired output. It can be a question, command, or even a detailed scenario. The better you write it, the better your result. So let's get started without any delay and see how different types of prompts work in ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT prompt window and start writing prompts. Let's start with zero shot prompting first, or direct instruction prompt, like what is the capital of France? Since it's a direct question, so it will reply you like capital of France is Paris. You can ask it to write a story on a cherry tree, and it will write a small story on a cherry tree. Since it's a zero shot prompt, so it will write it based on its knowledge. So zero shot prompts are quick, specific. Now another example is for instruction based prompting, where we will give it an instruction to write a story on a cherry tree in a poetic style for a 10-year-old kid. So if you see the response, it has written this story in poetic style based on our instruction for a 10-year-old kid, so that a 10-year-old kid can understand it well. So this is an example of instruction based prompt. So it is best for getting answers in a specific tone, expertise or style. Here is another example of explain the process of photosynthesis to a 8-year-old student in two sentences. So again, it's an instruction based prompt, or you can say constraint based prompt also, because we have put a constraint here that answer in two sentences only, and this should be for 8-year-old only. So it has responded and defined the process of photosynthesis so that an 8-year-old student can understand, and as we mentioned, two sentences, so it has written the answer in two sentences only. Now our next type of prompt is step-by-step prompt, where we are asking it to explain a Fibonacci series step by step as if a teacher explains it to a beginner. It is trying to explain Fibonacci series in Python to students as if teacher teaching a beginner. So this step by step prompt is best for clear and educational contents. As you can see, it is trying to explain how a Fibonacci series works in a step by step algorithm. You can ask it to rewrite above logic for Fibonacci series in Python coding. So it is very good in writing code also. So here you can see it is saying we have given it a prompt like rewrite above Python code for Fibonacci series. So it has written the same Fibonacci series in Python. So it depends on your prompt, what kind of prompt you are giving. So if your prompt is good, it will generate a good result for you. Here's another example of contest prompt where we have given it a prompt like write a blog on Kolkata tourism that also suggests good tourist places in Kolkata along with commutation details. So it will write a good blog, good and detailed blog.
blog on Kolkata tourism, where it tells you about Kolkata's culture and also introduce you to various tourist places in Kolkata and how to visit them, along with commutation details. So remember, AI is only as good as the prompts you give it. Better prompts give better results. Experiment with different types of prompts, mix them up, and you will see your results skyrocket. If you found this helpful, hit like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more AI tips. Thank you.